Visit Africa Today present to you amazing tourist attractions in Rwanda including their religion and culture. Do you know Rwanda is known as the land of thousand hills, with mountains and hills everywhere. The official language of Rwanda is Kinyarwanda. Rwanda is a major producer of coffee and tea. Lake Kivu is Rwanda's largest lake and sixth in Africa. Do you know the last Saturday of every month is dedicated to community service in Rwanda? Do you also know that no plastic is allowed in Rwanda? Honey and conservation are huge and very delicious. Rwanda also boasts of amazing tourist attractions such as the Volcanoes National Park, named after the chain of dormant volcanoes making up the Virunga Massif. You can also track endangered gorillas of the rainforest with over 200 species of colorful birds and the rare golden monkey. Hiking, canoeing and mountain biking are amazing scenes to behold. Lake Kivu is the largest lake in Rwanda and sixth largest in Africa and located near the Volcanoes National Park and a perfect place to relax after gorilla trekking. An exciting way to explore Rwanda is a kayaking tour on the Lake Kivu or mountain biking or hiking. The town Kigali is a beautiful place to be, for first-time visitors to the city often remark how clean the streets are, a matter of pride across every community throughout the country. Kigali boasts of beautiful museum and art galleries including Kigali Genocide Memorial Museum. Kigali also boasts of world-class shopping mall built in the style of the King Palace of Olden Keys, which lights up the night sky atop of one of the many hills. Rwandians are also warm, friendly and respectful, starting at the grassroots all the way to the top. Amazing cultural dance, fashion style, festivals and events, traditions and ethnographic museum. You can't visit Rwanda without experiencing the canopy walkway in the Nyungwe National Park, which provides exhilarating perspective on the ancient treetops and wildlife. Make sure you wear a suitable footwear and raincoat before visiting the Nyungwe National Park. This is part 1 of our Rwanda tour. Kindly subscribe and wait for part 2. Thanks.